What's up? How's it going? For today's video, we'll be making this animated AI agent infographic. I would love to give credit to One Skill PPT by Integral PPT. Well, the owner of this PowerPoint, the one that made this PowerPoint was One Skill PPT. Let's check it out, guys. Now look, it has the same thing, but I created this. You might think I just downloaded it from pptskill.com from One Skill PPT, but I didn't. I made it by myself. This part was kind of hard, but then I got it. I'll be explaining this part and the fonts. I'll be showing the fonts and this thing's kind of hard for a lot of people. LPT gets mostly about this. And look, it even turns off, and then when I press this turns on. And then when I press on this turns on. When I press on this, well, that turns on. When I press on apps, this turns on. When I press on more, that turns on. Now, how do you make it? We'll see. These are fonts and colors. These are the colors we will be using, and the font, PowerPoint version, Microsoft 365, and the new 2025 November version. They kind of changed the logo, but yeah. Designed by One Skill and Integral. Get into today's video. It's gonna be hard. Okay, guys, how did he made it? Well, check it out. So let me just open a new blank slide for me. So what you guys have to do is go and open a blank slide, but what I have to do is just press Control N, and it brings me a new slide. So now, let me go home, press this, press blank. Now, let me just change the background, format shape. Now go here, press, well actually never mind, press this. And now we have this kind of cool slide. And now we can go back here. Let me just copy these. Just fix it. So if you guys want this thing, the font is here, and the size and the color. If you guys want your name to be written here, the font is this. Space Grow Tech, I think it's called, light 11, size 11, and the color white. Move it there. Okay, now what you guys want to do? Let me just go back to my previous slide. So this, let me just copy. Actually, let's just this. So let me just paste it back here. Now go to Insert, Shapes, insert this kind of shape. Actually, small, and then you can put as any amount of this. So let's go with that. Now color would be white. What color this was? Okay, let's go back here. Color this and go white. I think it was 75. Yeah. Now change and check the size. Okay, so this was 3.83. So here we got the cool square. Just do that. Now let me just see the color. Let's get the colors. So it's okay. Let me just go to my first slide. Copy now we can go here, press that, this, color, custom, go here and then paste that. If you guys want to use the same color, you guys do not have to, but yeah. Transparency, nothing, 0, then blur 50. Now let's go back to glow. Press this, and then we'll be using the same color. Now, transparency, and this is gonna be 8. There we go. We have that cool color now. Now let me just copy these. Oh, whoops, sorry. Copy that. Paste it here. Okay. Now, what you guys wanna do is go to shapes, and then go here, and then press this. Actually, that was wrong, kinda. So about that, insert, shape, and then line. Press shift if you hold it. Now that. Now when you do that, oh dang it. Okay, now when you do that, press double. Connect it to that. I am not sure if you have. Wait, let me check my PowerPoint. Okay, guys, now it's fine. Go to insert, go shapes, go here, and then press that. So now we have that beautiful thingy line, I think it's called. Now let's bring it down. Right. So let's go to view. So that's gonna be right in the middle. Yep. Now you're gonna put that there. Press Ctrl D, and that's gonna be right in the middle of that slide too. Now these two's gonna be not connected, but yeah. Just go there. Line is gonna be white. 75%. And I believe it was 65 transparency. Yep. Now that comes right in the middle, and just put it right in the middle. Okay, now we have that cool thing. Now what you guys wanna do is insert those small things. Now, so how you make these is go to insert and then use this, and then go here and then make it this 12 and then 0, and then it's the same color, the same glow, and the same shadow, but you go down and here cap type, it's round. So yeah, and now what you guys want to do is put 2 in the middle. So 2 of these. Let's put the animation first here. Now the animation is line with previous 50 seconds, and then until end of the slide. It has to be until end of the slide. So this, like, let's go make this. Okay, this let me just do it out of scratch. So let me just delete that. Let's go to animation. Go press this. Go to add animation. Press this. So it should do that now. Let's click and then up and then now 0.50 seconds. Go to animation or animation pack. Double click. None of that. We don't even start on that. Now here you press until end of the slide. The hard part is it goes up. So what you guys wanna do is press this, press shift and then bring it down. Bring it down to right. Close, yep, to there. Now when you have done that, you bring this up and then double click, well, control D, and then you go here and press 0 there, but 12 here, 0.12. You put this right here, and then the animation is gonna be left. Oh, sorry guys, it's right. So now you bring this, just you press on the red thing, you press shift, and then you bring it here. You bring it right there. Now let's check it in the slide. So that goes right there. So let me just go to animation. So 50. It has to be 50. Now you might see this doesn't go under it. So we have to press this, press send to back. Now you guys can do it. Look. It already looks good. Now we copy the top one and put it right here. Here. Now we double click that, get the animations here, and then we press down. Now we just put this right above here, and then we go down, and then we press shift, and then scroll it upwards, yeah. It's so hard to get this. Now you put that up there. Now you put this back right here. Okay guys, now you double click, control D this again, and then you bring it right here. Make sure every single one of them are 50. Bring this right about there. Now send this back, but not, yep, almost looks good. Now get all of them. It's 0.50, all of them 0.50. Now that only goes up, oh sorry, that only goes up right here. That goes up to right there. Now let's check it out. Look. Now this needs to go back to back. Now look. That looks good as heck. That looks very good. So that's how you guys make it. And yeah, that's it for today's tutorial. See you guys on the next one.